Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment in Bolex Repair Philippines. This is about essentially the 5th installment of the Bolex 233 Compact S. So what we're essentially going to do is we're going to clean off all this corrosion right here, okay? And we're going to see if it's going to power up. I doubt it's going to do it. And if it's not, it's just going to be too expensive to repair it, essentially. You would generally, like I said in the last video, you're going to give like $20 for this camera. Whatever type of the fee it is to ship it off. You know, and then the technician's fee, which is probably going to be the highest. With their expertise. But more like it's going to be down then to component level. Okay, if it can be saved at all. So I doubt it's going to be worth it, but we're going to give it a go. Alright? So, it's just going to be cleaning this right here. What happens generally is this. When you have corrosion this bad right here, the corrosion right here at the end of my pencil eraser travels up inside the coating of the wire and in between the inside of the insulation of the wire. Okay? So you'd have to end up changing that wire out and or the components and stuff like that if you want to go that far. Bit much if you ask me. Okay, so it's just a basic camera to begin with. So rubbing alcohol. Okay, toothbrush. Alright, so I'm going to get down in here, start getting this out the best way I can. It's a little gunky, a little gooey. This part right here is just on the metal. Good grief. Let me show you something. See how deep it is right there, right on the end of my pencil eraser? I don't even know if I can get in there, and that's where the shutter blades are. That is actually some wiring right there. You also have to be concerned with here, with the glass elements. If you've got the corrosion that's already settled along with fungus in there, and if you remove this, then you need an optical bench to set that back properly. Collimization will be optimal. It will be a paramount situation. Otherwise, of course, those of you unfamiliar with that, the images of being filmed will not come in properly. They'll just be scattered all over the place, and it won't show up on the film correctly. You got to set it on the optical bench so everything that comes in will come in properly, okay, in one direction. Alright, let's see here. Look at this. It's just nasty all over the place here. Alright, see right there? It could take 5 minutes to do this. It could take any amount of time. You just don't know with corrosion. That's the problem. Alright, so let me do this for a little bit and I'm going to get back to you, okay? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take this bottom plate off to check the wiring up under it. I did this last time, but I can't recall if it had any corrosion up under it. Okay. That one. And get this final plate here. This screw. Okay. There you go. All that was clean, same thing as it was last time. Okay, and here we have the gears. So, gears down there clean. Wiring here. Alright. Wiring down in there. Get a close up. There you have it. Okay. Some more alcohol. Okay, I spy something down in here, into my pencil eraser. See that? Okay, it's just on the housing. Okay. I also suspect it's deeper in here. So I don't think it's going to be worth it at all, but try it. Look at this motor here. So from this side, it looks clean. All right. Sure that. Okay. I'm sure down here, right? That mode sensor switch is bad. All right, check this out. Nothing. Here's the button, by the way, right here. Okay, I may go into this a little bit further, but other than that, I'm just going to cut bait on it. Okay, found some more corrosion, it looks like, hit the end of my pass around around there, so I'll take this off and just to take a look at it. I suppose I really already cut bait on this camera. At this point, we're just showing you the moral here is to take care of your equipment and don't leave it in a hot environment where it's going to get sick with fungus, corrosion, rust. Yep, look at there. Remove that. Shutter. Okay. So this got corrosion on it. Been in here to check it out. Okay. What did these two wires go to? That's my question. These two wires went to something. At this point, a lot of corrosion. Look at that. That's a lot. So for right now, there we pretty much have it. I may get back to this camera, I may not. I'll take a look at in time and see what these two wires are going on, what's about those, and see what turns out. But quite frankly, it's essentially, again, just to cut bait on it. It's just not worth it. Too much corrosion, too much work, losing too much money as far as a typical filmmaker would go with. But on my end, I'll see what I can do with it and see what I come up with and see what I can deliver to you. Alright? Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya!